The Baltic Way was organised as a way of protesting against the annexation of the Baltic states. 23rd of August for a long time didn't mean much to the outside world, beyond those countries directly affected by the Nazi-Soviet pact. And it became a real effort to try and change the public narrative, to try and put the story of the Nazi-Soviet pact, Soviet aggression, at the centrepiece of the new narrative of World War II. To juxtapose it with Nazi aggression, Nazi oppression of societies. The Baltic Way is, I think, particularly interesting because it is, first of all, a mass protest. Upwards of 2 million people participated in the Baltic Way protest. It was effectively a human chain that spanned the three Baltic republics, spanned something like 700 kilometers in length. So meticulous in its organisation, first of all, to actually coordinate that large number of people. Also, it was transnational, which is crucial, so across the three republics of the Baltic states.
Atmostas Baltija, Lietuva, Latvija, Igaunija. Atmostas Baltija, Atmostas Baltija, Lietuva, Latvija, Igaunija.
Merepalgedes neid uinutas lainete laul. Kolm rahvast siin sajandeid heideldes tõid ohvriks muistse au. Kui tornides juba ja elu kaitseda kolmde virguvad nüüd. Ärgake Baltimaad, ärgake Baltimaad, Leedumaa, Lätimaa, Eestimaa. Slegia anči nevilkis, klajoja lyg elgeta pajūriu, dvasia tautų garbės. Bet varpas likimo